These digital boxes represent the AI tools you're probably paying for right now. The monthly subscriptions for these tasks are stacking up fast. Look at a standard AI stack. Subscriptions for text, image, video, and voice easily hit $300 a month. Open source software drops that cost to zero, but replaces it with two heavy new blocks: local hardware and setup time. Until recently, that setup time required a strong grasp of code. That barrier is gone. Now hand a GitHub link to an AI agent, and it handles the entire installation, pulling these tools directly onto your machine. The trade-off has shifted. You stop paying with your credit card and start paying with processing power, your local storage space, and your patience for troubleshooting. The question is no longer whether you can get high-end AI for free. It is whether the friction of local installation and heavy hardware reliance is actually worth the cash savings for your specific workflow. Let's start by looking at high-end media generation. Tools built to clone voices, render images with perfect text, or edit complete videos from scratch. To get these running locally, you use a process called agentic installation. You feed a repository link to a tool like Codex, and it checks your storage, creates the folders, downloads the files, and boots up the application. You don't write a single line of code. The output from these local tools easily rivals the paid platforms. This cinematic shot, complete with real-sourced footage and a synthesized voiceover, was generated from a single sentence using an open-source tool called Open Montage. This matrix compares the reality of using those local alternatives against the paid cloud tools. Look at the trade-off column. You get professional output for zero cost, but you accept a massive hardware tax. A local voice cloning app alone eats up half a gigabyte of storage before you even generate a single audio file. Paid cloud platforms render media using massive enterprise server farms. When you run open-source software, your generation speed is entirely tethered to the specific graphics card and hard drive sitting on your desk. You save $50 a month on media subscriptions, but your workflow becomes entirely bottlenecked by the physical limits of your current hardware. That hardware tax becomes even more apparent when you look at productivity tools, specifically the AI note-takers people use to transcribe and summarize back-to-back meetings. This diagram illustrates the hidden risk of standard paid meeting tools. Your live audio leaves your laptop, travels across the internet, and hits an external cloud server to be processed. Open-source alternatives like Meetly bypass the cloud entirely, running smaller language models right on your physical machine. This severs the internet connection completely. Every word spoken is processed strictly within the boundaries of your laptop, ensuring confidential data never leaves your desk. The operational cost here is battery and CPU drain. Running a local AI transcription model while simultaneously managing a live video call demands heavy processing power. If you are a doctor handling patient data or a lawyer discussing case details, an exhausted laptop battery is a mandatory tax to ensure absolute data privacy. For developers and power users, the biggest bottleneck isn't usually privacy. It's hitting token limits on coding agents and getting hit with massive overage bills. To solve this, tools like Omniroute act as a local gateway, sitting between your coding agent and the AI models, providing a claimed 1.6 billion free tokens a month. This network map shows how API routing achieves that scale. When you send a prompt, the system pings a provider. If it gets rejected, it instantly reroutes your request to an alternate node. The system scales to connect with over 200 providers, offering free tiers, silently falling back from one to the next, keeping your agent fueled without interrupting your workflow. But this relies entirely on the free tiers of external companies. When one of those 200 providers changes their terms of service, a routing pathway breaks, and you have to pause your work to troubleshoot the connection manually. You successfully bypass the monthly overage bills, but you absorb the ongoing friction of maintaining a fragile network of free providers. The promise that you no longer need to code to use these tools is absolutely real, but the idea that they are truly free is a myth. You pay in setup friction, maintenance, and hardware wear. Plot your workflow on this decision matrix, balancing budget against willingness to tinker. A privacy professional lands top right, requiring local security. A high-volume creator lands bottom right, needing free tools for margin. But a casual user sits top left. A $20 cloud subscription is easiest. True optimization means looking past the appeal of free software. It is a deliberate choice about whether your credit card or your local computing power is the more expendable resource.